Here's a 2016 Audi Allroad. It's a family-friendly wagon during the week, a trailblazing adventure machine on the weekend. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. External memory control, dual-zone climate control, wireless phone connectivity, power sliding and tilting sunroof, turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, AM/FM satellite radio, leather bucket seats, 4-wheel drive, and power heated mirrors. Car and Driver explains, the cabin is well turned out as you'd expect, a veritable festival of high-buck materials screwed together with the precision of, well, an Audi. Audi forges sophistication and performance into each iconic vehicle. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
That new Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, or Mazda is waiting for you at Morong, Falmouth. We're conveniently located at 187 US Route 1 in Falmouth, Maine.